Thanks for watching whenever this is that you are watching. I've got a package from Knives Ship Free here that we're going to unbox. And it's going to be pretty cool, I think. Now this is just going to be an unboxing video. I'm not going to be using it because I have, well, as you may have or may not have noticed, I haven't done a lot of knife usage videos lately. I might have to have surgery on my hand, so it makes really squeezing these blades to use them kind of painful and kind of screw some stuff up. So I won't be doing usage for a little while until probably I can get that fixed. Let's go ahead and move this camera a little bit more. All right, so to unbox this, you're like, well, why are you buying knives if you can't really, use them hardcore? Because they're fun and they're pretty, that's why. All right, so to unbox this, we are going to use an LT Wright GNS ABL saber cut. Now, I did purchase these knives with my own money. Jay didn't send them to me for free or anything. I had to buy them myself. So, here we go with the receipt. We've got a Knife Ship Free sticker. Always love the stickers. And what do we have in here? What's that? 2 boxes. Oh, you may have just saw what they were on the side, but let's go ahead and open it up anyway. First up, we have JRE sheath. And we've got ourselves a GNS. A red with blue liner GNS AEBL saber grind. You're like, wait a minute, isn't the GNS you opened it up with AEBL saber grind? Yes it is. Wow, that's got a cool feeling to it. And it's got a cool texture on this handle. That's nice. And then next up, in this other LT box, we've got our JRE sheath and another GNS AEBL saber grind with black and orange OSU. Oklahoma State University, I suppose you could say it is. Now, it's interesting because all 3 of these handles feel different. So let's see, the red one is red linen matte. This one is, G10, that's why it feels different. G10 matte. Okay, that explains why it feels different. And then this is the natural canvas micarta. So look at that. You think I like GNSs? I think I might. So I think this is all the GNSs I'm gonna collect for a while. Let me go ahead and raise the camera up here. And if you can see, you can tell these are hand ground because the original, if you look where the grind is, looks to be a little further out than these. I'm not saying that's bad, it's a criticism or anything. I'm just saying you could tell there's just small differences. I do like how on this one with the pins, you've got that, I guess, kind of brass outer jacket on the pin. I wish there was maybe like some sort of outer jacket on these for those pins, but that's okay. That's still okay. I still love them all. So I guess if you can't tell, I guess I like the GNS. I think I want to get one of those, what is it, Mongo or something? That's the big, even bigger GNS, or something like that, or we've got like a deluxe size in the Forest Trail. I want to get some of those too, but hey, we got our GNS collection here. I'm not sure I'm going to buy any more after this, but I wanted them. because they're pretty. And then next up, we've got our JRE sheath. And what do we have in here? What's that? 2 boxes. Oh, GNS AEBL saber grind with black and orange OSU. Wow, this is So that's how that feels. Can't squeeze as much as I would like, but yeah, there's the 2 new ones again. All right. So this red one is going to go overseas, and the other ones are going to stay with me. I do want to someday, hopefully once my hand is either get surgery, feels better, or it's just feeling better in general, compare the GNS to the Ursus 45 by White River. They're similar in a lot of ways, but different in a lot of ways. I think they'll definitely, both of them kind of make really good competitors to each other. So anyway, that's what I got. Thanks for joining this unboxing. Remember, LT's cool. Check out Knife Ship Free also as well. So remember, get outside, enjoy life, do something. See ya. Check out all these videos floating around here for other great content. Also, be sure to like, share, subscribe, hit that bell notification, comment, check out the links below. It all helps the channel and the family. Every little bit.